So aside from the first time investor who's scared to pull the trigger, but they're wanting to, in our world, even for me, right? Not failed, but like invested and it didn't go as well. Have multiple properties and still trying to learn more of this and speed track it to the people who just have commercial properties and they're thinking residential, to some of my other clientele. They have syndications they're part of. They're already heavily invested. They're just trying to find new areas and new pieces, but they might only be doing flips or they might only be doing buy and hold. Is this going to be a valuable trip for them as well, especially being an exclusive one just for our community?
Definitely. I think
Yeah.
this is the ultimate experience. To me, if I had one experience, we do done for you real estate mentorship where we'll build houses for you. We have course content. We have so many variations of mentorship. To me, this is the one personally I couldn't live without. If
Okay.
I had the option to choose any form of mentorship, to me, hands-on training is it,
Yep.
period. Because it's so it applies anywhere. Anywhere you want to invest, it applies. Any type of investment is going to require construction and understanding the cost and the timelines and pulling permits and how that works. So it's a unique opportunity. I don't know how long I'll even be able to do these tours for, but while I'm doing them, almost anybody should get in and would be a fool not and to cheat
Yeah.
themselves out of that opportunity because there's not a million of these tours.